Hi guys, welcome to my channel Mate ABC English. This video is the solution for the problem that was left as an exercise in the past videos. So this is the correct formula because we are substituting the data in the correct place. 40 is the initial vertical velocity and this is the height. So first of all, we need to find the time when the ball reaches into the ground. We need to find the zero of this function. So you will have that by the formula, as you know, by the formula, this is A, this is B, and this is C. T1 and T2 equals minus B plus minus square root of B squared minus 4 times A times C divided by 2A. So substituting the correct data in the correct place, you will have that T1 and T2 equals 2.227 seconds. So this is the only correct, because as you can see in the other side will be in the negative, so the time will be in seconds, and this is the time that reaches into the ground. Okay guys, so as you can see in the graph, the blue one is this function, but the dark one is subtracting 20, because this point minus 20 is equals to this, this point minus 20 equals to this. So we need to find this height. So if we find this, we can't either have the maximum height that will reach. So our new function will be minus 16t squared plus 40t. So we'll have this new function g of t that is the dark one, and if we resolve the zeros, we will find those. When it reaches its peak and when it reaches again on the same height of 20, because this is the building 20 meters. In order to resolve this, we need to find the time, and we need to divide it by 2, because as you can see it's symmetrical. By physics you will know that this time t1, it reaches its peak and will have that this time 2 equals to t1. But again, by the formula we will have that equals to minus b plus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c divided by 2a. And as you can see here, c is 0, a is minus 16, and b is 40. So finally you will have that the t1 equals to 5 halves of second. The other is 0. As you can see, this is 0 and this is 5 halves of a second. So as you can see here, the time that reaches the maximum height, it's t1 divided by 2, and this equals to 5 fourths of a second. So you only have to substitute this t into this function. So finally we need to find the maximum height by substituting here the correct data that we found. So we resolve this and we find this time. Following the correct structure, we will find that 45 meters is the maximum height. So these are the answers. When it reaches the maximum height is 45 meters, and it reaches at 5/4 of a second, and it reaches at this time. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and subscribe to this channel, Master ABC English. And I hope you guys to see you in my next videos. Bye!